One of the main reasons why your AI agent is taking forever to complete the task is because you are working with a large dataset, and your model is trying to compute all the features in that dataset. Now, with that comes the issue of overlifting. Your model learns too much noise instead of real patterns. But here's the fix: feature selection. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use SelectKBest from Scikit-Learn to automatically pick only the top 5 most important features, making your model faster, perform better, and avoid overlifting. So what we're going to do, we are going to import necessary libraries, and in my case, I'm going to use NumPy for numerical computations, numerical operations. I'm also going to use pandas for displaying numerical data, and I'm also going to use make selection which generates synthetic data for testing, and I'm also going to use SelectKBest and class if, which are used to select the most important features. So with that, I'm also going to generate sample data. So to generate sample data, I'll generate sample data for X and Y using the make classification, and I'll generate 100 samples with 10 features using that make classification, and also feature name to create labels like feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, all the way to 10 for I in range 1 all the way to 10, in range 10 actually. All right, so I'm also going now to select top 5 features. In my case, I'm going to use, like I said, I'm going to use SelectKBest to select the top 5 features, which are the most important features based on the statistical significance. I'm also going to use fit transform X and Y, which applies the selection and removes unimportant features. Selected.get support, which basically returns true and false, list indicating which features were selected, and also my array there, and SelectGet support, which extracts the names of those selected features. All right, so what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and print original features, and also to go ahead and print the selected features. So I'm going to do a quick print statement here. So my original, so this will be the original features, and the second one will be the top 5 selected features. So this will be selected features. All right, I'm going to run this, and it will print the original features, then the scaled down features, which is feature 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.